Over the past 20 years, leading organisations have recognised the contribution that procurement transformation can deliver to their financial performance. This is through 4 areas: reducing supplier costs, reducing supplier risk, improving business revenues, and improving working capital. Collectively, these leading organisations have delivered billions of euros of savings and also strengthened their organisations in many ways. For the truly leading edge companies, procurement is no longer a functional silo, but a business competence delivering maximum value for every dollar spent. So what actually is procurement transformation? Many of our clients talk about it in terms of 4 levers. Firstly, procurement functional fitness. That's the organisation structure, its strategy, the ways of working and the processes that it uses. Secondly, internal collaboration. This is about getting clarity on supplier management roles and responsibilities, resource commitment to cross-functional teams, and also getting joint target ownership. The third lever is supplier collaboration. And here we're looking at things like access to innovation, speed to market, and improving the level of trust in the relationship. The fourth lever is procurement technical practices. Each of these areas is complex in its own right, and that's why a procurement transformation program is required to actually align all of these activities and make sure that they deliver as required. Transformation programs can typically run 2, 3 or up to 5 years, depending on the scale of change and the aspiration of the business. So there is complexity involved in managing a procurement transformation program, but equally the benefits are substantial. There are 4 ways that we see clients measuring the benefit. The first of these is actually to set a fiscal target, maybe a $1 billion challenge or 100 million euros, but then measure the timeline to deliver those savings. The second approach is to look at the percentage savings that are being delivered across the total cost base, and maybe going from 1 or 2% to a benchmark total of about 4 or 5, or maybe even 6 or 7%. But it's measuring the jump from the start point to the end point, which is what they're looking at. A third way of measuring the benefit is looking at the increase in savings. And here we see clients typically during a 1 to 2 year transformation program increase savings by 30 to 50%. Finally, most clients look at the ROI from procurement transformation, and in most cases the minimum is 10 to 1. Few other functions can deliver that kind of payback. Delivering successful procurement transformation at speed is a challenge, and programs sometimes can get derailed. However, there are 3 enablers that we see that really help. Firstly, having executive sponsorship, support and commitment. Often, where internal collaboration needs to be improved, this is most important. The second enabler is resources. Whilst there may be great resources internally, there is often a need to go out externally to hire new capabilities. And thirdly, investment. The resources obviously require investment, but often processes, education and systems are drivers of new levels of investment for the procurement team. We typically help organisations in 3 ways during a procurement transformation programme. At the start, we help build a case for change, we undertake the diagnostic, we gather the data, we look for the opportunities, and we help to pull all of that together into one document. Secondly, using that as the starting point, we help develop a transformation plan. Thirdly, we help implement that transformation plan, and that involves many of the change levers we talked about earlier: program design, program management. The feedback we get from clients says that the reason they like to work with us on this type of program is mainly around our people and our experience in delivering this type of change, and our focus on ensuring that the program is tailored to their environment and their situation. If you want any more information on procurement transformation, please look in the Knowledge Hub on the website, or give us a call or send us an email.